Everything in this world is created twice. Once in the mind of the Creator, and then in the real world for everyone to experience. What started as a passion for quality in a home garage way back in the year 1976, today is a global brand with a presence in more than 85 countries, delivering products which are built to last. Welcome to Groz. As a technology leader, we specialize in the design, manufacturing, and marketing of a vast range of workshop tools and equipment. We are a family-owned business where the leadership is driven by a strong value system and a commitment to excellence. State-of-the-art manufacturing and a dynamic team of experts has helped cement our position as a premium global enterprise. More than 2,000 dedicated men and women form our workforce. They walk the aisles of our production facilities, spread over far-reaching capacity, and transform several tons of metal into premium-grade engineering solutions. With over 200 qualified and experienced engineers, we are among the largest and most technologically advanced workshop tools and equipment manufacturers. Our heart lies in our engineering and design center, where we use high-end technologies to develop solutions for millions of users across the globe. When we say our processes are flawless, strategic planning and study of the micro facets of our processes are key to our smooth manufacturing operations. As every project is different, every solution is uniquely tailored to our clients' needs. In our quest for the best technical solutions, we strive for cost efficiency, fully optimized production processes, and top-notch innovative technologies, because we carry out every one of our production steps under our own roof. Trustworthiness is a fundamental concept, and Groz ensures the long-term reliability of its products. This philosophy helps us to achieve the highest customer satisfaction in each one of our projects and undertakings. With our impeccable track record, we have gained trust and become the preferred partners of some of the leading brands in the industry, which are now part of the Groz family. Because for Groz, excellence is the backbone and perfection is our virtue. In a world of cold steel and sharp metals, we make tools to trust. We make tools that are built to last.